Here the pond life. Well, yesterday, or the day before rather, that was just a big deep hole in the ground. It's now full of water, so it's a good 3.5 to 4 meters deep. Very dangerous. There's a little pond down there that had about 3 or 4 inches of water in, and now that's overflowing onto the road. So obviously it's a catchment area, but my goodness, one day has saved a lot of water here. The frogs have stopped. We're at a pond that we pass by nearly every day while out walking, and this pond is now a third larger than it was the day before yesterday, and about I would say nearly 2 meters, well, 1.5 meters to 2 meters deeper than it was 2 or 3 days ago, that's for sure. It's way up. Leo's having a look. Heineken's looking at the birds. Feathered ones, that is. More later. The land here is flooded. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I usually walk across there. But the footpath, which is higher, is soggy but accessible. But we'll go on, see what it looks like further on. But one hell of a load of water in the last 28 hours, that's for sure. The rice paddies are completely full of water. Some of the crops are probably ruined now. Who knows? We usually walk through this wooded area, but not today. It's covered in water. We'll move on, take a look elsewhere, but it looks as though most of the land is soaked, in as much as water is lying everywhere. As I said, water everywhere. We're looking at paddies alongside the road that we walk along, and they're fairly deep in water, but nothing unusual. A couple of days it'll be gone, or radically reduced anyway. But with that said, it's just started raining again, so who knows? The forecast is for more rain today and tomorrow. But as we all know, the forecast is not always right. So we'll wait and see what happens. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little video showing you how much rain fell in the last day or so. So until my next video, please take care. All the best. Bye bye for now.